welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting for the first time, welcome to the new people, and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Please remember to subscribe, like and share the video, and let's enjoy the video. Today we are diving into something that every home needs: a beautiful functional kitchen design. Whether you love cooking or just love hosting, your kitchen is the heart of your home. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through some of the most popular kitchen designs, smart layout ideas, and modern trends that you can actually use to upgrade your space. So let's get started. Before picking colors or cabinets, start with the purpose. Get crystal clear on how the kitchen will be used. Is it a family hub with homework and meal prep happening at once? Or a minimalist cook studio? Modern design is purpose-driven. Define daily routines, number of users, and must-have functions. This clarity guides every choice that follows, from layout to lighting, so the space looks sleek and works effortless. Choose the right layout. Modern kitchens prioritize flow. Decide between an L shape, U shape, galley, or an island layout based on room size and traffic paths. Aim for smart work zones. That is the prep, cook, clean, store, rather than the old triangle only. Keep major parts at least 1 meter wide so multiple people can move around without bumping into each other. Embrace clean lines. The modern look is calm and uncluttered. Flat panel doors, simply hardware and minimal ornamentation. Aligned door reveals, keeps lightness clear, and choose integrated handles or slim poles. Think of a cabinetry as quiet architecture. When lines are straight and consistent, the entire kitchen feels more high-end. Pick a cohesive color story. Choose a restrained palette and repeat it. Modern favorites include white and warm wood, soft greige with black accents, or deep navy with brushed metal. Limit yourself to one dominant tone, one secondary and one accent so the space feels intentional, not busy. If you decide to go dark on cabinets, balance with the lighter counters and walls. Select durable modern surfaces. Worktops and splashbacks carry the aesthetic. Quartz is low maintenance and contemporary. Porcelain slabs gives a seamless stone-like hook. Butcher block adds warmth when used selectively. For splashbacks, large format tiles or slab backsplashes minimize grout lines and visually expand the room. Prioritize finishes that resist stains and heat. Optimize storage like a pro. Modern kitchens hide the mess. Use deep drawers instead of cavernous-based cabinets. Add pullouts for spices and beans. Fit tray dividers near the oven. And include a tall pantry with adjustable shelves. Consider a slim appliance garage to pack the kettle, toaster, and blender. Clear counters equally instantly modernity. Layer the lighting. Lighting makes or breaks the design. Use 3 layers. Ambient, that's the ceiling downlights. Task, under cabinet strips over counters, and accent pendants over the island or a LED strip in a niche. Keep color temperature consistent for a polished look, and put key circuits or dimmers so the kitchen shifts from chef mode to evening glow. Integrate appliances. For a seamless look, choose built-in or panel-ready appliances that suit flush with cabinetry. A counter-depth fridge, induction, cooktop, and quiet integrated dishwasher simplify the visual field. If you love the Pro Range look, balance it with minimal hardware and clean lines elsewhere to maintain the modern vibe. Think smart and connected. Modern doesn't stop at finishes. Bring in smart tech that genuinely helps. Consider an induction hub with precise controls. A Wi-Fi oven you can preheat on the way home. Imagine that. A tap with filter or boiling water, and smart plugs or sinks that set lighting with one command. Keep tech invisible but accessible. Design an island that works. If space allows, the island is your multitask hero. Decide its primary job, prep, seating, or storage, and design around that. Add power outlets under the overhang. Include a shallow drawer stack for every tools and ensure at least 90 to 110 centimeters of clearance around it so stools and drawers can move comfortably. Choose statement but simple details. Modern design loves one or two strong gestures. A sculptural faucet, linear pendants, fluted wood on the island, or a continuous stone splash. Pick your hero element and let it shine. Keep everything else understated. These restraints prevent visual noise and keeps the room feeling curated. Plan ventilation and acoustics. A quiet, efficient extractor keeps the kitchen fresh and the ceiling clean of the grease. If you have an open plan, pay attention to sound. Opt for soft close hardware, acoustic rugs or curtains nearby, and appliances with low decibel ratings. Modern is not just how it looks, it's really how it sounds and feels. Build in sustainability. Choose LED lighting, water efficient taps, induction for energy efficiency, and durable materials that last. Add clearly labeled recycling pullouts and, if possible, a small compost caddy. Sustainable choices are hallmark of modern living and often reduce long-term costs. Style with intention. Finish with restrained decor. A single tray with daily essentials, a bowl of fresh produce, a small herb planter, or 2 cookbooks. Keep counters mostly clear, some appliances you can really use, and leave negative space. In a modern kitchen, breathing room is the ultimate luxury. Budget smart, spend where it shows. Allocate more budget to cabinetry hardware, worktops, lighting, and hinges, high-touch items that you'll use daily. Save on interior carcasses or choose mid-range appliances with premium looks. A smart budget keeps the design modern without overspending. Now, future proof of the plan. When you think about aging in place and changing needs, choose drawers over doors for easier reach. Consider a low section of counter for seated prep, and leave space for future appliances upgrades. A modern kitchen should be flexible and ready to evolve with you. Well guys, that's wrap up our quick guide to kitchen designs. From layouts and styles to colors and smart features, there is something here for every type of home. If you're planning a remodel or just love design inspiration, I hope this video gave you some fresh ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home design tips, and share in the comments what's your dream kitchen style. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and click the video that is coming up next. Cheers guys.